Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Changing your payment account on Google Play is pretty straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your device. You'll see the home screen with all your apps and games. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Once you tap your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Look for the option that says Payments and Subscriptions, and select it. This is where all your billing information lives. Step 3. Inside Payments and Subscriptions, you'll see your current payment methods listed. Find the option that says Payment Methods, and tap on it. You might need to scroll down to find this depending on your device. Step 4. Now you'll see all the payment methods you have saved. To add a new payment account, look for the Add Payment Method button. Tap it and choose whether you want to add a credit card, debit card, or other payment option. Step 5. Enter your new payment information carefully, making sure all the details are correct. Once you've added your new payment method, you can set it as your primary account by selecting it as your default payment method. Google Play will now use this account for future purchases and subscriptions.